War Day number 861 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, still Wednesday, July the 1st, 2024. We have here in this newspaper three regular puzzles. Two of those I've already solved, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the binary. Yes, boys and girls, the binary puzzle. You are interested in this one. And I have not so good news for today, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So after these three puzzles, we need to wait for tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow we have another newspaper, so I hope there will be more puzzles in tomorrow's edition. All right, the binary puzzle will be number 8836. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. That's a lot. Well, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Now the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double ones, 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 here no, there no. Now the double O's again. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. And between the two O's comes in 1. Between 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 two ones comes an O. All right. Let me see. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. We have double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box will be a 1. Of course, between two O's comes in 1. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5 here. We have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 here or there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so here can be 1 or there can be 1. So these two should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. And I know between an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box will be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Alright, and now 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Okay. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. Double 1 here, no, there no. Double O here, 1, there 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box will be a 1. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Is it time for comparing? That's the question. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Double O. Here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If we place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in the last row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be O, there should be a 1. If we place the 5th O there, then we still have 3 ones in a row in the last row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be O, there should be a 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, need there, need here. Need here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, maybe now it's time for comparing. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between is always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. Same for here. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between is always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here also. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here also. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between is always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, I think it's time for comparing now. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 completed columns. Do we have a 1 double? Oh, no, it's not the same, this one. Double 1. 001. This column and that column. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, empty box. Empty box 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double 1, here, no, there, no. Still cannot continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I need an O and then 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. Here also. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Yeah. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we need to compare again. I think twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How about the double O's here? Almost the same double O's. Well, I cannot compare this one. How about this one? Yeah. Well, it's the first column and this column. Well. 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh, 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 1, 1, oh, oh. Empty box, 1, 1, oh, oh. So we need to switch these two boxes. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have O here. This should be a 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Now these two rows or columns. Let me check for the... We have a double 1 here. This one could be. Yeah, we got you. This column and that column. Oh, 1, 1, 1, 1, oh, oh. Empty box, 1, 1, oh, 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 1, 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Between two 1's comes an O, between two O's comes an 1. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct, in 11 minutes. Well, we solve it again. With comparing, yeah, I need to compare 2 or 3 times. I believe 3 times or maybe 4 times. 3 times. And yeah, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again tomorrow on Thursday. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye bye for now.